Hotel Atelier is a leading hospitality company committed to providing unforgettable experiences for our guests while prioritizing sustainability and ESG practices. We are a hotel management company with 41 urban boutique hotels in Tier 1 cities in Spain and Portugal, and are now dedicated to growing our business sustainably while expanding internationally. Sustainability is not just a buzzword for us, it is a fundamental aspect of our strategy. We have designed and implemented specific, ambitious initiatives to reduce our environmental footprint, including energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste management programs. Our governance practices, on the other hand, are designed to uphold the highest standards of integrity and transparency, with a comprehensive code of ethics and regular discussions on ESG topics. We see it as our responsibility to lead by example in the hospitality industry, demonstrating that sustainable practices can go hand in hand with exceptional service and profitability. Our mission, People Caring for People, reflects our commitment to creating a positive impact on our guests, employees, and communities. We understand that our people are at the core of everything we do and work hard to make sure we listen and care for their needs.
Over the last 2 years, we have defined and put in place a retrofit plan with more than 16 heat pumps and 6 boiler chains in 17 different hotels, reducing our energy consumption and our Scope 1 and 2 carbon footprint by more than 20%. Over the course of the next 3 years, we will continue to renew our installations, focusing on phasing out installations that run on natural gas and also incorporating heat recovery and low global warming potential refrigerants with high temperature heat pumps. Another key area that we are focused on is water efficiency, especially given the current global water shortages. With regards to waste management, our focal point is in optimizing current operations by reducing single-use plastic to a minimum, collaborating with Too Good To Go to reduce food waste to a minimum in our breakfast and restaurant areas, using local providers where possible, and recycling and donating hotel items to achieve a circular economy.
We at Cortesia have been supporting Hotel Atelier for 12 years through 4 generations of funds. In 2024, we renewed a trust in the company, acquiring a majority stake and setting the foundations with the management team of the new business plan, which mostly rests on 3 pillars: optimizing processes and systems across the organization, growing through asset repositioning, new openings and M&A, and strengthening a culture around customer service and sustainability. Sustainability is now a key competitive factor in the hospitality industry, driven by rising demand for eco-friendly options, reinforced by OTAs like Booking, long-term sustainability certificates, stricter regulations, and cost-saving efficiencies from greener operations. That is why we at Cortesia are embedding sustainability into the operations of Atelier, as we deem it an essential piece for brand differentiation, access to capital, and long-term value creation.
Hotel Atelier is committed to enhancing its social impact through fairness, safety, and growth. A strong focus on diversity, equity, inclusion, and workplace well-being not only enhances company culture, but also strengthens brand reputation and operational excellence. Hotel Atelier recognizes this importance and is committed to fair employment practices, workplace safety, and employee development. Through initiatives like its equality plan, leadership programs, and well-being strategies, the company is building a more inclusive and sustainable work environment. For the years 2025 and 2026, Hotel Atelier has set several ambitious targets. These include launching an HR system, conducting a salary gap analysis, and setting a pay equity reporting framework by 2026. Additionally, the company plans to implement an incident tracking system by 2026 and achieve 100% employee participation in annual health and safety training by 2028. Hotel Atelier also aims to establish a structured career development framework for critical positions by 2026, implement alternative employee listening methodologies to monitor engagement by 2026, and launch a pilot to test new employee listening methodologies in 2025. Finally, the company plans to launch a structured attrition analysis system in 2025 and reduce voluntary employee turnover rate by 10% compared to 24 ratios by 2025. All these initiatives demonstrate our commitment to becoming a reference in ESG leadership within the hospitality industry in the years ahead.